Levi Hutchins of New Hampshire invented the first alarm clock in 1787, which was rung only once a day, at 4 a.m. Unfortunately for Levi, his wife murdered him one cold New England morning. The time was 4:05 a.m., according to reports. You can't make this stuff up. His clock rung only once, at 4 a.m., because farmers were the big customers. Levi didn't even have to be at work early, it was simply his firm rule to wake before sunrise. In the late 1870s, small alarm clocks gained popularity, and the major U.S. clock companies started making them. It took almost 100 years more to make a customized alarm clock, which's alarm time can be changed. Don't be shocked to know that a simple alarm clock took 100 years to make. It may seem hard to believe, but your alarm clock actually promotes unhealthy sleep habits. Now the clock industry has enhanced, and clocky, the alarm clock on wheels, literally runs away beeping, so you'll have to get out of bed to silence it. So, viewers, we hope you enjoyed our today's facts about alarm clock. Let us know in the comment section below, which facts of alarm clock you enjoyed the most. Please subscribe, like, share, and be with us for the next video tomorrow.